Here is my 2017 Chevy Silverado. It's a four-wheel drive, just the LT version. We're going to do a walk around here. I'm getting ready to have the suspension lift and stuff put on. Got new wheels and everything for it. I've got a video on YouTube of the parts and stuff. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and take a look at that. But we're going to do a walk around of the truck and just give you an idea of what she looks like now and what we're going to do to it. I have changed a few things on it. As you can see, the tail lights are LED. I have changed those, and then the third brake light up there is also LED. I've changed those. I put dual exhaust on it. I've done a few modifications already. Had the windows tinted in the front. We will be doing the McGoy's 7 to 9 inch black premium lift, and I did buy the upper control arms for the front for McGoy's. It's the McGoy's brand control arms. And then I bought the rear leaf spring, the add a leaf, so that we can go 9 inches. So it will be on 9-inch lift. I will have 37 by 1350 22-inch tires, and then the wheels are 22 by 12 with a negative 44 offset. So should look pretty good. Hopefully we don't have too much rubbing in the front. The back end will be fine, I'm sure, but I may have to do a little bit of trimming on the valence down there at the bottom, but hopefully that's the most of it. So really like this body style. Really like the hood, the front end. I'd probably keep everything stock. I do want to possibly change, and I may change my mind, but I've been wanting to change this. I believe it's called a skid plate, a bumper skid plate on the front valence there. I would like to find a black one. If anybody knows of a place where you can buy a black one, send me a link in the comments or something. I have been looking at possibly buying a black one and just blacking out the front end, other than the Chevy bow tie. So I did change the bow tie. The color was yellow from the factory, and I bought the black one and changed it out. And then I took the bow tie off altogether on the back, made it just like a smooth look. So, but it's gonna look pretty good. Total of 9 inches on the lift kit, and then a couple inches more lift on the tires gives it a total of about 11 inches, I believe. So it's gonna go up. It's gonna be really cool. I can't wait. I'm hoping that the running boards are sufficient enough so you can still get in it, because it's gonna be up there. So, but really like the truck. And I do want to do, I brought a tape measure out here, if I can do this with one hand. You're going to see where the fender is at right now. That way we can measure again after the lift and see where we're at. So the bottom of the fender right now is about 37 and a half. If you can see there. So yeah, if we go 11 inches, we're gonna be, I don't know if you can see it or not there, basically about right here is gonna be the bottom of the fender. So it's gonna take us up quite a bit. That's gonna bring the hood up. The hood's gonna be up like right up here, maybe here. So that ought to be pretty cool. So but yeah, I haven't done a whole lot other than that. I did put the AFM delete in. There's a video on my YouTube for that too. That's pretty simple. Plug it in and basically plug it in and drive it. So one of the best mods I've done so far, because V4 and V8 mode is kind of silly. So you don't buy these trucks for fuel mileage, so I don't know what Chevy was thinking there, but I love the truck, love the exhaust, and I'm not sure if I've done a cold start on it. It's not real cold right now probably, but we could try and do a cold start on it real quick just so you guys can hear the exhaust. Maybe if I can get it to work. There we go. Get a look at the tail lights there too. They look pretty sharp. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Get the lift on there, I'm going to be really excited. So, but this is just kind of a short video to give you an overall look of the truck before I lift it. So, but hopefully we'll have her done soon. I've got everything but the wheels, so as soon as I get the wheels and get the tires and wheels mounted and together, and then in a couple weeks I'll be taking it in to get it lifted. So thanks for watching, and hopefully there'll be some more videos soon.